Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome. Yes, this is the Extra Steps CEO YouTube channel where I talk about how you can grow your business you could start, and I also love to talk about how you can monetize your skills. There are so many skills that we've got in us that could be a form of extra income for us. Yes, you can monetize your knowledge, monetize your time, monetize your influence. These are things that could bring money to you. And being a new entrepreneur myself, I get to share about my journey as an entrepreneur, my everyday products. I share on this platform as well software and services that has made the journey easy for me. Does this sound interesting to you and seems like what you will really want to be a part of? Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, I love it when you get to share my content so that the information can go around the world. Okay, thank you so much. And to all my existing subscribers, you are the real MVPs. Thank you for always coming back to watch my content. Thank you for the emails. Thank you for the comments. This can only be done through our engagement on this platform. Thank you so much. So in today's video, it will be a continuation of the series I started on websites that you could get remote job. And I know you'll be wondering, like, is she showing her face? Where's the Extra Steps CEO? Okay, this is a new platform because I've received tons of emails of people telling me that dropping the link is not just enough. They want to be sure of the platform, so that when they get to see it, it would look like something that I've shared. So that's why I decided to do a recording that would show the screen and actually show the website I'm talking about. Okay, so on this series of websites where you could start remote jobs, we would be doing it more like this, sharing my screen so that the website could be seen. Okay, so let's go right into today's video. The first website I'll be talking about in today's video is Rat Race Rebellion. Rat Race Rebellion is a website that offers varieties of jobs that you could do from home. A lot of home jobs that you could work, and we see good jobs for seniors, jobs offering $25, well, and at home jobs IRN, you see. And I always recommend that on Rat Race Rebellion, subscribe to their newsletter, join their mailing list. They get to send daily updates of any new opportunity to your email. Like you get to receive it as it's being listed. Okay, so let's go and see what the website has to offer. This is a new listing. Work from home chat agents needed. That's $14.50 per hour. I always tell people, explore this website. The website is so engaging. And they have blog posts as well talking about how to work from home opportunities, how you can navigate through all the work from home opportunities that are around. Okay, so this is a website I really want you to take your time and look around it. There are so many things you could get from the website. All right, so that takes me to the second website on this video. We'll be talking about LiveOps. That's the second website. I've recommended this website to people. LiveOps has been a life-changing website for as many people have recommended LiveOps to. They've gotten jobs, yes, on LiveOps. So I can tell you that LiveOps is a website where you could get jobs opportunities that on LiveOps are inbound sales, customer service, insurance sales, insurance claims, technical support, roadside assistance, healthcare, payroll support, food order taking. And I'm sure if you go more into the website, you'll see other opportunities. Yes, so all you need to do is just apply to be a LiveOps agent. And I tell people, please, for every website that you get to visit or that I get to talk about, don't just take my word for it. Please, I do beg you. make your own findings, talk to people about it, be sure it is what you really want to do, and get ready, get your resume all set, and it's worth the opportunity, but I still want you to make your own findings. Okay, so the second website in this video is LiveOps. You would do well to check them out. And let's go to the third website, which is Virtual Office Terms. I've worked with Virtual Office Terms before, so I'm giving you first-hand information that I have worked with Virtual Office Terms, and it was a customer service role, and they have quite a lot of opportunities there as well. You see executive data entry, executive support, administrative and clerical, customer service specialist, internet and web support, legal office, medical transcription, social media specialist, typing and transcription, virtual assistant. Yeah, I remember that what I did there was a virtual assistant job, so it's something you can really look into. Okay, so that's it. Let's go to the let's go to the fourth website. And I don't know if you can guess that fourth website. The fourth website is Amazon Jobs. Like, people, there are jobs on Amazon. Like, Amazon is not just a website where you shop. There are jobs on Amazon website that you could apply for. Okay, so this is the virtual websites, or I would say website for virtual jobs. That's about virtual locations. They have, so this is an updated one. This was last updated on the 8th of May, and I'm sure before the end of this week there will be more openings. So this is something you really want to look into. And like I say, when you visit a website, please go to their frequently asked questions. Ask questions, know what questions people are asking. This would guide your judgment about the website as well. Don't just say because you've heard or people told you there are work that could be done or you could apply for on this website that you now want to go ahead and apply. Be sure it is something you really want. Be sure it is something that fits into your lifestyle, so that, because it is not advisable for you to start a job and end it the next day because you were not prepared for what the job has to offer. So Amazon Jobs is a website that you could get virtual work from home jobs from. Let's go to the next website, FlexJobs. Yeah, FlexJobs is also a popular website that offers job. You have virtual work that you could apply for: lead generation coordinator, technical account manager, quite a number of jobs that you could apply for. Always ask questions. Be interested in what their scope of work is, their time, how they pay, and so many things that you need to ask questions about. And FlexJobs has newsletters as well. Sign up. Explore the website, apply for as many job openings as you can see. Presently, they recruit for Capital One, DVM, Milite, and Tribe, like quite a number of companies that they work for. Okay, so this is a website you really want to get into to know what is happening there. And the last website I'll be talking about in today's video is Outsourcely. Outsourcely is majorly for IT jobs. Like, if you're IT inclined, you could go onto this website to see if there are opportunities for you, if this opportunity suits into your lifestyle, if it's something you really want to do. So you see, you have this design, multimedia, web development, mobile applications. These are things you really want to get into and know what is happening there. And they update their websites regularly as well. So you see, and they tell you if the position is full-time or part-time. They let you know the time that is posted, and like, they break down everything you need to know. this is a website that I know people get remote jobs from. Okay, so that's a whole lot of information. If you are into IT, you really want to try this out. Okay, so thank you so much. That's 6 websites I've mentioned in this video. It would be a great thing for you to check out these websites, and as you can see, I am more interested in my audience. Like, you really want to see what the website outlets look like. That's why I'm doing a video that would show my screen. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video today, and like I always say, please share this information. Let the world know. There are so many people out there that don't know this thing exists, or they think it's just a lie. Let them know it's not a lie. At least I've worked with virtual websites, and I can tell you that so many of them are legitimate. Okay, so if you've watched this video to this very end and you are here to subscribe, oh my god, what then are you waiting for? Please subscribe. And like I would always say, don't just subscribe, it's that notification bell, turn it on, so that when I get to upload new videos, you would always come over to watch my videos. And I appreciate it if you can share these videos as well. Let it go around, let the world know. And please, I love to read comments. Keep the comments coming in. Let's engage. Let's talk even outside of YouTube. I have my IG handle in the description box. Please hit me up on Instagram. Let's chat. And to all my existing subscribers, I can only say thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy that we are in this community together. So until I come again with the next one, be good, and please stay safe, and keep impacting knowledge and information. That's what the world wants. They will only take action on what they get to hear. Okay, so let's be a source of knowledge. Let's be a source of information to people around us. Thank you so much. Until I come again, bye now.